first up this morning, let's get you the update. What happened and what transpired really at the Dominican High Court there, where the bail petition of Mehul Choksi, the fugitive diamond heir, came up once again. Remember, he's already been denied bail by the magisterial court there in Dominica. And when he applied for bail once again at the Dominican High Court, that too was denied by court. He has now been termed as a flight risk too. Let me straight away go across to Shivani, who's joining us live this morning. Good morning to you, Shivani. Just give us the main pointers. What has been said by the Dominican High Court so far while denying bail to Mehul Choksi?
A very good morning to you, Amita, and all our viewers also. And this breakthrough that has come up from the High Court of Dominica has brought a setback for Mehul Choksi, who had applied for another bail plea in the High Court of Dominica, and the High Court has denied his bail plea. We know that the magistrate court had already denied his bail plea, and now the High Court has also denied his bail plea, calling him a flight risk. And also the court has said that no condition can be given in which Mehul Choksi can be absconding from Dominica. He has no ties with Dominica. This has been said by the court. And very important one thing, that Mehul Choksi had proposed that he would be staying in a hotel with his brother in Dominica. So court has rejected this proposal, saying that this is not a fixed address, so he cannot be relied upon with that. So he will remain to be in the police custody. And one more very important thing here, Amita, that the habeas corpus case is still going on, and the hearing is scheduled to take place in July. And that's the case from where India and Indian agencies have also put their all documents and evidences in front of the court, saying that Mehul Choksi is an absconding fugitive and wanted for his economic offence in India. So he needs to be in India for the further legal action, and for that case all the documents and evidences are already put before the court. But this was the bail plea that was applied by Mehul Choksi and his lawyers in the High Court of Dominica, which was rejected by the Dominican High Court. So this is a major setback, and now Mehul Choksi will remain in Dominica until the trial is not done. And also the habeas corpus case is not heard and a decision is made. But here we must understand that Antiguan State Police and Antiguan Prime Minister has already said that they want him to be repatriated back to India, because India has been wanting him, and the ED and the CBI were working hard to bring Mehul Choksi back. And now also a day before yesterday, the Home Minister of Dominica has also written to the police chief in Dominica and called Mehul Choksi a prohibited immigrant to Dominica. So court's decision on denying his bail plea is really a setback for Mehul Choksi. And now India's case for his repatriation is getting stronger. And very soon the agencies are hopeful that Mehul Choksi would be brought back to India.
When talking about India case so far, Shivani, just highlight on the pointers on the affidavit that was also submitted by India in the Dominican High Court just before his bail application was taken up.
Amita, Indian agencies had highlighted that Mehul Choksi, who has been a wanted economic offender, he has been wanted in a case of a bank fraud of 13,500 crore rupees, and all the evidences and how he had committed this offence was also apprised to the court by the Indian agencies, we know. And there are so many evidences that say that Mehul Choksi has been absconding from India, and his citizenship is also unsettled in Antigua. And when he was applying for the citizenship in Antigua, a lot of misinformation was given by him to the authorities in Antigua. So all these points have also been taken up in the court by the Indian agencies, and we know that all these evidences will work for India for bringing Mehul Choksi back, because there is an Interpol Red Corner notice also issued against Mehul Choksi on the basis of the investigation that CBI and ED had taken up. And now we had also shown his residence in Mumbai, wherein a number of summons were sent to him and no responses were given by Mehul Choksi. So a clear case of non-cooperation true law by Mehul Choksi also stands, and all the agencies of India who have
important points
even
that
traveled
have
to
been raised
Dominica
by
to keep
Dominican
the
High
facts
Court
in
there
front
while
of the court.
rejecting the bail application of Mehul Choksi, saying that he is a flightless, he does not belong to Dominica, and there is no surety on those grounds that bail can be granted to the fugitive diamantaire as he continues to remain in the custody of Dominica. Thanks very much, Shivani, for joining us live this morning.